Hello students, welcome to Mathify India. In this video, we are going to discuss a geometrical approximation of the square root of 2. We will see that the square root of 2 can be approximated by the fraction 1 plus 1 third plus 1 over 3 times 4 minus 1 over 3 times 4 times 34. This is a remarkably good approximation, as it differs from the exact value of root 2 only at the 6th decimal place. Let us now understand how this approximation is obtained geometrically. The idea is to combine two unit squares, without overlapping, in such a way that they form a square of area 2 square units. Theoretically, the side of this larger square must be root 2. We begin by fixing one unit square and dividing the second unit square into 3 equal vertical rectangular pieces, each of width 1/3. Now paste 2 of these rectangles, one along the right side and the other along the top side of the fixed square. From the remaining piece, cut a square of side 1/3 and paste it into the top right vacant corner. At this stage, we obtain a square whose side length is 1 plus 1/3. We are now left with a rectangular piece of dimensions, 2/3 and 1/3. Divide this rectangle into 4 equal vertical strips, each of dimension 2/3 and 1/12. Take 2 of these strips, join them along their shorter sides to form a rectangle of dimension 4/3 and 1/12, and paste this rectangle along the right side of the square. Similarly, paste the remaining 2 strips along the top side of the square. At this point, the 2 unit squares have been fully merged, but the resulting figure is still not a perfect square. To complete the square, we borrow a small square of side 1/12 and place it in the remaining gap. However, this square now contains an extra area equal to 1 over 144, which comes from the borrowed piece. To correct this, we cut a horizontal and a vertical rectangular strip, each of width W, from the bottom and left sides of the square. Now we obtain a square whose side length is 1 plus 1/3 plus 1/12 minus W. The combined area of these 2 strips must be equal to the area of the borrowed square. Equating these areas, we obtain W equals 1 over 408. Finally, we are left with a square of exactly 2 square units area, whose side length is 1 plus 1/3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 minus 1 over 3 times 4 times 34. Therefore, this gives us a highly accurate geometrical approximation of root 2. Now here is a question for you. Why is this approximated value slightly greater than the exact value of root 2? Write your answer in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.